Good morning, everyone. Today's my lecture topic is COP29. The 29th UN Climate Change Conference is being held in Baku, Azerbaijan from November 11 to 22, 2024. This global summit is organized under the framework of United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change and serves as a pivotal event for addressing the escalating climate crisis. Objectives of COP29: First, accelerating global climate action, strengthening commitments to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius as outlined in the Paris Agreement, revising nationally determined contributions for 2030 and introducing targets for 2035. Second, financial support, securing climate finance for developing nations to address mitigation, adaptation, and loss and damage caused by climate change. Discussions on filling the Loss and Damage Fund, which was launched at COP28. Third, enhancing climate resilience, developing strategies to close the adaptation finance gap and scale support for vulnerable communities. Implementing the global goal on adaptation to track progress on resilience measures. Fourth, innovation and technology, promoting renewable energy, carbon capture, and sustainable technologies in sectors like energy, transportation, and agriculture. The key themes and focus areas. First, global stocktake. COP29 will evaluate the progress made under the Paris Agreement and set the stage for future climate policies. Second, carbon markets. Operationalizing Article 6 of the Paris Agreement to facilitate international carbon trading and financing of green projects. Third, nature-based solutions. Conserving ecosystems, restoring biodiversity, and promoting sustainable land use as a core part of climate action. Fourth, equity and justice, ensuring a just transition to a green economy, protecting the rights of workers and marginalized communities. Host country is Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan, hosting COP29, brings its unique perspective as an oil-rich country transitioning toward renewable energy. The event is expected to highlight the integration of clean technologies into economies dependent on fossil fuels. Regional initiatives to address climate impacts in Central Asia and Caspian Sea region. India's role at COP29. India plays a critical role as a major developing nation, balancing climate action with economic growth. Commitments: increasing renewable energy capacity, particularly solar power. Initiatives leading efforts like the International Solar Alliance and promoting sustainable urbanization. Expectations: advocating for greater financial and technological support for developing countries. Challenges ahead. First, insufficient climate finance. Despite promises, the $100 billion annual target for climate finance remains unmet. Second, divergent priorities. Balancing the interest of developed and developing nations continues to be a major challenge. Third, global emissions gap. Current efforts fall short of achieving the 1.5 degrees Celsius target, necessitating urgent and transformative action. Opportunities for success. COP29 is a chance for countries to showcase innovative solutions and global solidarity. By setting bold targets and implementing actionable strategies, the conference can act as a turning point for sustainable development and climate resilience. The conclusion: COP29 is a more than a diplomatic event. It is a platform for realigning global priorities towards a sustainable future. The outcomes of this summit will significantly influence the trajectory of climate action in the years to come. Thank you.
Subscribe for more content.